What's he saying?
He's copying you.
Sing. Oh yeah?
Oh, yes. He started doing it when you and Lyle were out there talking. Now I've got it all screwed up. I'm not videotaping, but I'm hoping it's audio. He's been going on now for 2.5 minutes, but he was doing it all the time you guys were out there talking. Yeah. Okay, Toby. I don't know where that voice came from, but it's creeping me out. Yeah, oh, you're back, huh? Yeah, he's back. Yes. Hi, Toby. Good morning, Toby. Uh-huh. Okay, you're going to fly away? You don't have wings yet. No, no wings yet. Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah? I don't know what I did with the video part, but I think... Oh! Hello? Hello? Well, that was stupid. I had my finger over the camera lens. Now I think I'm taking a video of me. I think I'm doing everything in reverse. Goodbye. Jeez. I'm dangerous. Hello.